LVMH plans to sell Marc Jacobs for $1 billion. What it means for the luxury market. LVMH, the renowned luxury conglomerate, is reportedly in the process of seeking a buyer for its fashion label, Marc Jacobs, with an asking price of approximately $1 billion. This significant move has caught the attention of industry insiders and investors alike, as it reflects the ongoing shifts within the luxury market. According to a recent report from the Wall Street Journal, LVMH is currently in discussions with several potential buyers and may finalize a deal in the near future. However, the company has not yet responded to inquiries from PYMNTS regarding this matter. LVMH is well known for its strategic approach to both acquiring and divesting brands. For instance, it successfully purchased Tiffany & Co. in 2021, while also selling off Donna Karan and DKNY in 2016. More recently, the conglomerate has divested its stakes in Off-White and Stella McCartney, showcasing its dynamic portfolio management. During an earnings call on July 24th, LVMH's Chief Financial Officer, Cecile Cavaness, emphasized the company's philosophy regarding brand ownership, stating, "We will not keep brands if we believe they are not a good add-on or we are not the right operator to operate them." This statement underscores LVMH's commitment to maintaining a portfolio that aligns with its operational strengths and market demands. In the same earnings report, LVMH revealed that its overall business performance had declined in the first half of the year, with earnings dropping by 22% compared to the same time frame in 2024. The company attributed this downturn to various macroeconomic factors, including fluctuations in currency values, a decrease in tourist traffic, and challenging comparisons to a particularly strong performance in the previous year. Earlier this year, PYMNTS highlighted that the luxury market is currently experiencing a phase of mixed results and evolving dynamics. High-income consumers are becoming increasingly price-sensitive, seeking greater value and quality in their luxury purchases. This shift in consumer behavior has prompted LVMH's CEO, Bernard Arnault, to describe the luxury industry as being in highly turbulent times. In April, the issue of tariffs emerged as a significant concern for the luxury sector. LVMH's executives indicated that the company was prepared to implement price increases and other strategies to mitigate the impact of tariffs if negotiations did not yield favorable outcomes. They noted that a price increase could be part of a broader mitigation strategy, potentially passing the costs of tariffs on to consumers. Reflecting on past sales, when LVMH sold Donna Karan International in 2016, it was reported that the brand had shifted towards wholesale and moved away from its higher-priced apparel, which ultimately misaligned it with LVMH's luxury-focused strategy. Following the announcement of that deal, LVMH's shares saw a modest increase of about 1%. As LVMH navigates these complex market conditions and strategic decisions, one must wonder, is the luxury market truly in a state of decline, or is it simply evolving? What are your thoughts on LVMH's decision to sell Marc Jacobs? Do you believe this is a wise move, or could it backfire? Share your opinions in the comments below. LVMH in talks to sell Marc Jacobs for $1 billion. What you need to know. Imagine a major shift happening behind the scenes in the world of luxury fashion, where one of the industry's most iconic brands might soon change hands. And this is the part most people miss: the potential sale of $1 billion label that could reshape the landscape of high-end retail. That's exactly what's currently unfolding with Louis Vuitton's parent company, LVMH, as they explore the possibility of selling the renowned fashion house Marc Jacobs. According to a report from the Wall Street Journal published on Friday, LVMH is in active discussions to offload the Marc Jacobs brand in a deal that could potentially reach around $1 billion. The news has sparked considerable interest, especially since the company has historically kept such strategic moves under wraps. The report cites sources familiar with the matter, though neither LVMH nor the involved parties have officially confirmed the negotiations. Back in 2024, Bloomberg had hinted that LVMH was contemplating strategic options for Marc Jacobs, including the possibility of a sale, after receiving interest from various potential buyers. However, at that time, LVMH publicly denied any such plans. Now, it appears the discussions are more serious, with multiple parties reportedly involved. These include notable names like Authentic Brands, which owns Reebok, Blue Star Alliance, the owner of Bookstone, and WHP Global, the parent company of Vera Wang. But here's where it gets controversial. Reuters has not yet been able to verify the report independently. Requests for comments from LVMH, Marc Jacobs, and the potential buyers have so far gone unanswered. Still, the Wall Street Journal suggests that if negotiations proceed smoothly, a deal could be finalized soon, assuming no unforeseen obstacles emerge. This potential sale comes at a time when the luxury retail sector is experiencing heightened activity and interest. Earlier this year in Arni Cafe, for example, Prada acquired Versace from Capri Holdings in a significant $1.4 billion deal, merging two of Italy's most iconic fashion houses and creating a new Italian luxury powerhouse. Meanwhile, LVMH's recent financial performance has been somewhat mixed. Their second quarter sales, which include a range of high-end products like Louis Vuitton handbags, Dior Couture, and Moët Chandon champagne, fell slightly short of what market analysts had expected. This slowdown reflects broader challenges faced by French luxury brands, including a prolonged market downturn and the potential impact of U.S. import tariffs, which continue to create headwinds for the industry. So, as the luxury world watches closely, the question remains, will LVMH actually sell Marc Jacobs? And what could this mean for the future of the brand and the industry at large? Is this a strategic move to focus on core brands, or a sign of deeper shifts within the luxury market? Share your thoughts. Do you believe this sale will go through? And how might it reshape the high-end fashion landscape? The debate is just beginning.